What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be working on the new rear bumper. If you guys have not seen my last video, make sure to go and check it out. I picked up a new bumper, as you guys just saw in the car right now, and then we have another one inside the car. For all of you guys who are already getting triggered before you even know anything that's going on, relax, calm down, guys. The bumper may or may not even be worked on. We're going to be figuring that out pretty much in this video. However, regardless of if I do work on it, it's not going to be getting cut up at all. It's not going to be sliced into or sectioned or anything at all like that. You guys are just going to have to relax and watch this video to see exactly what it is that's taking place. For those of you guys that are new, make sure to smash that subscribe button and that thumbs up. We have a lot of exciting things going down to this car very, very soon. I should be picking up all of the panels this week. The front end is going to be getting a makeover. We have new corner lights going down. We have the grill is finally going to be getting painted, and then as you know, with the front bumper, that's just going to tie everything together. And then I have a couple new parts as well that are actually on the way that should also be here this week. So as I said, if you guys are new, what are you guys doing? Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned, guys, because believe me, we have a lot of exciting shit going down. But with all of that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get this bumper out of the car. I have no idea how I even got it in there, but we're going to get that out, and then I'm going to go over exactly what it is I'm going to be doing.
Makes a horrible loud bang noise, and I jerk the cart and go off course for a minute. And then I look over at him and I see him do this. He's celebrating like he hit a hole in one. Steering with my knees, I pointed at the man, both my hands. Only I kind of pointed up. I used a different finger. And I may have also started yelling.
Yeah, so here's the other bumper. This bumper is actually in pretty good condition as well, except for right here. This little piece right here is all broken, so there's no bolting tabs or anything. And then we have some body damage right here. It looks like it was hit, so this isn't too bad. A crack there, crack right there. But we'll be sanding this whole area down and then gluing the pieces together, body working it, once we figure out exactly what it is we're going to be doing. But what I do know for right now, I'm going to do a tape line right here. We're going to pretty much get all this cut. We're removing this and just using this bottom half. And then on this bumper, I don't know if you guys can really pick it up. Actually, yeah, you can. You see this line right here? He had a lip kit. So I'm going to use that line. I'm going to put some tape down. And then we're going to take the bottom half of that bumper and put it here. Seeing how it looks, maybe I'll just make it look OEM, but making it look like it actually has a lip kit. Or what I think is actually gonna be taking place is once I figure out where this goes and what I need to do, it's gonna look OEM, but we're gonna have it pretty much glued on and then body worked, and then it's done. So I promise you guys, whatever it is I decide to do with this rear bumper, as far as conjoining them both, I promise you guys it's not going to take long like my previous bumper where it took months and months. I plan on having this thing done within the next, I don't even know, week, 2 weeks, a couple days worth of working, and it should be done. So today, main focus, getting that thing completely cut on the bumper to where it's done. Now pretty much all we have to do is bond it and then body work it. That's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So for now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is actually get started on cutting this. So I'm going to set you guys up. We're going to get the jigsaw out, and we're going to get this thing cut. I'm going to do a line right real quick with tape and then get this bad boy cut, and then we'll begin to see what we can do.
And we're flying so close to where we belong, and we're trying to go somewhere new. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you.
Sides are a little too low.
That looks dope. Well, I'm not holding the side up. Dude, that's gonna look so sick. guys. All right, so you guys pretty much saw it there. I want to mold it, but at the same time, I might just do a lip kit. I don't know. So what I'm saying is, it's gonna look like it has a lip kit, but it's gonna be OEM though. So yeah. Or if I mold it, you know, it's just gonna be a little bit of body work. But I don't know yet. All I know is everything matches up good from this body line that he did use, but his goes to about here. The only thing is if I do it from there, this sits a little bit on the low side, and then this right here hangs a little bit past. So I would have to mimic somehow the body line and cut this out. I still have to play with that. I don't really know too much yet. I might just throw in a couple screws just to hold it in place. Relax, guys. It's easy body work. Just a little bit of pinholes and then, you know, off to paint. I might just do that just to hold it in place, just to see exactly what it is I'm working with. But fuck, yo, that shit looks so good. Oh my god, I'm excited. So excited. So if I do this into a lip kit, pretty much all I have to do is get my DA out and then pretty much sand all this flat, and then that's really about it. And then double-sided sticky tape it on, and that's all, guys. And then off to paint it goes. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think so far. I'm gonna I think put in a couple screws and then cut the side pieces, and then we'll kind of see more in depth of what I want to do. Huh?
Yeah, bud.
Dude, oh my god, it looks so good, guys. So Shane and I were talking. So as of right now, I have 2 screws, one right there, one right there, one right there, one right there. So 4 screws. I still have to do those parts, but I'll get to it. This is how low it's sitting. I mean, this is my hand, so about my finger. I'm gonna continue to do some measurements though, right there, right there, and right there, just to make sure everything's even. But I followed his line he had. Oh my god, it looks good. What I might do is make it as a lip kit. I think I'll end up pulling this off, sand all of that. If you guys look, you can see that's how thin it is. But then if you look right here, it's a lot thicker. So this will have to be sanded. And then, as you can see, it comes out a lot. So I'm gonna have to try to screw this into place where it's gonna be. Draw the body line, cut it, and then scoot this in, glue that into place, and then that's it. And then pretty much we'll carve out where the body line, or where this will glue onto. That way it's there. That way I can sand this bumper, and then we'll sand the inner side of this, glue it on, and or even sticky tape. But comment down below, what do you guys like? Like this? Looking like an actual lip kit, but OEM. It's OEM, but it looks like a lip kit. Or mold it. I kind of like the lip kit just because it creates a little bit of a body line. Plus, when we still have to do the cutout, so it's not gonna look as bam, you know what I mean? But fuck, guys, we're pretty much done with this bumper already. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this side screwed on, and then probably end up cutting as well, both sides, and then figure out how I'm gonna scoot that in, and then that's it, guys. All right, guys, so there it is. I need to cut it a little bit more. It was just more of a rough cut, and I have the pieces right here. So once this is cut to match it, what I'm gonna do is pretty much, actually, this looks like it's gonna have to be cut as well. And then, yeah, it'll pretty much, you know, sit in there. Let's go see this side. Same thing with this side over here. Need to just cut, as you guys can see, just a bit more. And then, so same thing. Just go ahead and scoot that in. And, yeah. Looking good, eh? Cool. I'm so excited for this. Comment down below, though. Let me know what you guys think. I think that shit looks hot, boy. Alright, guys. So I just finished the little end cap parts. Let me show you how it's pretty much going to look. It's just held into place. It's not glued or anything at all like that yet. But You get an idea pretty much right there. So pretty much we have to glue these two pieces together, and then once we'll remove it, bodywork just that little seam, and then yeah, and then we'll build a mold it into there, and basically, I mean, it's done, guys. The next step is pretty much bodywork now. Fix the cracks right there, bodywork it, and then mold it to the car, and then we still have to do the cutouts. The cutouts, I'm gonna wait, just because I have a new exhaust coming in, guys. So the ones you guys saw in my previous video, those aren't the mufflers I'm gonna be using anymore. So if you guys want those, I'm thinking about either selling them, doing a giveaway, or some type of raffle, like, you know, $1 an entry, and then once we hit a certain amount of entries, somebody's gonna win it for $1. I have 4 mufflers technically, 2 sets or 1 set each, if you guys know what I mean. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, we have new mufflers coming in. That's one of the things I was telling you guys at the beginning of this video. So I'm excited. So pretty much we're done here for the day. When we come next time, we'll glue like the end cap pieces on, and then that'll probably be one day. Actually, I'll probably do that off camera, just because it's really nothing too special. So probably glue that on, both of them, at home one day, and then once it's fully dried, we'll come back. We'll probably pull the bumper off. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll pull the bumper off, sand it, bodywork it, sand this whole line across, sand in here to where it's not as thick. As you guys can see, it's really thick there and then thin here. I don't know really why that is, so we'll have to thin that out a little bit on both sides. And then I guess get the exhaust cutouts, and then from there pretty much just begin body working. Really not much body work. I'm not going to go all out because it's going to be painted. I'm not painting it, so I'll probably leave it to him to do. So hell yeah, looks good. I'm happy. What do you think? Too quick, huh?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Shane's over here saying it's coming together way too quick, so something's probably going to go wrong. Thanks, Shane.
Hey.
So if something goes wrong, guys, it's because of this guy right here. It's all his fault. So,
What's up?
huh?
So you know what's up?
I think we should taste Shane now. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done here. But before we close this video out, we're gonna go taste Shane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, I'm scared for you.
What?
I don't know. I just am, dude.
If it's like the other one, it's not that bad. Do a quick one first. Do like right here. Do a quick one, bat.
Alright, where at? Just right here? Yeah? Wait. Am I doing it right? Did it hurt?
Yeah.
Again?
Hold it on there.
Fuck no, I don't want you to pass out. This guy's crazy. Let's get closer. Here. Oh my god. Nah, dude, no more than that. What the fuck?
Not that bad. You wanna try it?
No, fuck no. What the fuck? Was it like tensing you up?
Yeah, a little bit. But I'm trying to flex too. One more.
Just a quick one or hold it?
Just hold it for a few seconds.
Wait, was it
That
working?
was nothing. Oh, that one hurt. Not too bad. That one night I was fucking wasted, dude.
Donna's is more powerful than mine, I think. Hers is
playing with it too much.
Well, no, I charged this all night. Hers is fucking. Hers is bigger. Hers is bigger than mine, and it's fucking loud.
Oh.
The only thing is my light is brighter than hers, but her zap is fucking loud, dude. Way louder than mine.
Not too bad.
Fucking crazy. You're fucking nuts, dude. This feels fucking crazy. This video deserves a thumbs up for that.
Taser.
Come at him with.
Nothing to me.
I'm gonna buy a bigger one and then do it again.
I think the one I got hit was a little bigger. I don't know if it was stronger though.
This is a little baby one though, so.
Try it.
Fuck no. Hell no. Knowing me, I'll fucking like end up in the hospital or something. Oh my god, this feels fucking nuts. Smash that thumbs up for Shane. Come on, guys. But anyways, guys, alright. I can't believe I just tased somebody. That's so funny. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, guys.
Adrenaline dump.
What?
I just got an adrenaline dump.
Right now?
Oh, I'm shaking.
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh, he's shaking. I don't know if you guys heard him. He's like, I got an adrenaline jump. I'm shaking. That was so cool. That was scary for me, dude.
Why?
I don't know. I was like, what if this fool fucking straight
Dude,
passes
they
out?
held it like 3 times longer than that too that one night.
Take it right there.
Fuck no, I wouldn't do that. That's dumb. That's when you get dropped. The arm or the leg is like.
Oh my
easy.
god. This fool's fucking crazy, guys.
What's up?
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. We got the bumper pretty much for the most part done. At home, I'm gonna glue on the side pieces and everything. That way, when that's fully dry, the next time I come to Shane's, it's pretty much it's go time and pretty much start molding everything on, sanding, body working. So my guess is, I don't know, a couple more visits over here and this thing will be done. But as you guys see, it's pretty much for the most part done, really. What was that?
Cat?
Oh, you're scaring it?
No, I was like, come here, come here. I was like, I'm gonna make you fucking run then.
Anyways, guys, comment down below though. Let me know what you guys think. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. I did a thumbs up though. Smash that subscribe button down below for a lot more content. This car is really starting to go, or gonna start to transform. We have the panels and everything should be back very soon. The front end is gonna be worked on. We have some more rear end stuff going down, exhaust. We're gonna be moving to the interior. There's a few things that I wanna do on that. Fitment, we wanna play around with that a little bit more. So there's a lot more to come, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I gotta head home. I'm gonna be filming another video, which is gonna be something going on with the interior. So be on the lookout for that. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, so you're notified every single time your boy drops a video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, as always, peace out.